Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how you can switch Instagram to a dark appearance on your iPhone. First step is open phone setting app on your iPhone running iOS 13 or higher, or iPod running iPad OS 13 or higher. Then scroll down and tap display and brightness. In the appearance section at the top of the page, you will see two options, light and dark. You can tap dark. Then back to home screen and go to Instagram, which should you appear in dark mode. When in dark mode, the Instagram background is black and the next is white.